We're down here at the Boise River site, which is kind of IBO's newest project as far as outreach is concerned. This is our first year that we've run this site during fall migration. At this site, our goal has been to work with kids and make it really accessible for school groups to come and visit. So this fall, every day that we opened up for field trips during September, we filled with field trips. For me, the most exciting thing about this site is we're taking the best of what we do at Lucky Peak with songbird banding and bringing it down here so that more schools and more students can access it. And for me, especially seeing schools that don't have a lot of field trip funding or couldn't get enough parent drivers to go up to Lucky Peak, we're able to get them down to this site. So it's opening up a whole new demographic of students. You see kids who leave at the end of the field trip like, oh my gosh, Mom, I want to be an ornithologist when I grow up, or I want to help, you know, with conservation in Boise because of these little birds. So it's really fun to see kids get this connection, even though a lot of kids know about the Boise River and they've seen the Boise River before, to have them kind of experience it from a new angle and see kind of a new aspect of what's down here.